Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Yamaha V-Star 1100. This V-twin cruiser just arrived with under 25,000 miles on the odometer. Beautiful two-tone metallic paint scheme. It's got the nice mag wheels, and wait till you hear that awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust. Saddlebags, passenger backrest, beautiful condition. Come on by and make your big bore cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous Yamaha, a lot of nice chrome accents, only $49.99. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.